The history of biology. As you can see, biology has many branches and connections to other sciences. Hippocrates and Aristotle explored anatomy and physiology of living organisms. Animal science began when humans first domesticated animals for food and work. Agriculture, the growing of plants for food and manufacturing, is still studied today, aka botany. These and many more seemingly unrelated pieces of science focus on learning about life and the world around us. Let's take a deeper look. Fossils are a useful tool for scientists to use to study organisms that lived long ago. Linnaeus and Aristotle studied plants and helped to develop our modern classification system. Pharmaceuticals' origins began with medicinal herbs from the ancient Chinese medicine practices. Ecologists and environmental scientists are studying human impact on our environments and the organisms that live around us. These scientists are making connections such as energy use in food products to greenhouse gas emissions and global climate changes. Ancient Chinese used to use herbs to treat illness. Now, modern medical facilities use computers to petri dishes to fancy instruments to test blood and antibiotics to treat the illness. That's all biology. Now, let's not forget about Charles Darwin and his theory of evolution by natural selection. Evolution is a cornerstone of modern biology classes and explains changes that occurred over a long period of time. A perfect example would be antibiotic-resistant bacteria. How do those bacteria do that? That's biology. And what about photosynthesis and cellular respiration? You remember Krebs and Calvin. Mr. Wendell? No. Mr. Mendel. He was the father of genetics, and he studied pea plants. Genetics has expanded to include diagnosis and possible treatment to that double helix with Watson and Crick, to Who's Your Daddy on that Springer show, and don't forget Grissom on CSI. Technology has led to many advancements in biology, foods, medicines, and energy, just to name a few. iSTEM education is a blend of science, technology, engineering, and math as it applies to the real world, and biology is all about the real world. There's so much history, I didn't know where to begin. So many scientists, so much information, my brain can't take it. Maybe I need to revisit physiology. But then again, that's just biology.